Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure your device and Widgetsmith are current. This avoids glitches. Once updated, open Widgetsmith and pick the widget size you plan to change. Tap the widget preview to enter edit mode and make sure you're editing the exact instance on your home screen. Now, instead of saving immediately, check the widget's label and options. If a title field appears, you'll remove it next. This immediate first step prevents having to rebuild widgets later. You now perform the detailed edit. Tap the widget instance, then choose Edit Widget and scroll to the title or label option. If a title field exists, delete all text so it reads empty. If there's a toggle for showing the app name, turn it off. Once cleared, press Save. Don't exit yet. Then return to your home screen and long press the widget to force a refresh, or remove and re-add the widget instance so the new blank label replaces the old one. You finish by making sure the blank label sticks. If the name still appears, delete the widget from the home screen and re-add it from the Widgetsmith list. If that fails, force close Widgetsmith or restart your iPhone to clear any cached metadata, then reapply the cleared title. If the label still shows, make sure no system-level widget label override is enabled in iOS settings. And, as a last resort, update or reinstall Widgetsmith.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.